Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a new file in the Matlab editor for each function. Save the file as add. M with function y equals add a, b. The first line must start with the keyword function and outputs, equals, name, and inputs. Use clear, descriptive names and avoid dots or spaces in file names. Include comments on the second line that briefly describe behavior and input types. Use nargen and nargout to check input and output counts for safe calls. Test basic usage from the command line after saving. Design your function signature to clearly state required inputs and expected outputs. Validate inputs with nargensk, 1, 3, or ISA and isempty checks for robustness. Use input parser when you need named parameters and default values. Return multiple outputs as out1, out2, and document their order clearly. Use persistent variables to cache data and reduce repeated computation costs. Always check sizes and orientations with size and numal before performing matrix operations. Provide meaningful error messages using error with concise reasons for callers. Use function handles to pass behavior into other functions and for callbacks. Create anonymous functions with handles like f equals @xx, 2 for short callbacks. Pass function handles using @name and call them with fevel or direct parentheses. Use nested functions to access parent variables without global scope and for callbacks. Implement local helper functions at the end of the file to keep the main function concise and readable. For GUI and event code, return handles and use setup data for shared state management across callbacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.